Hello everyone. Today we will try this episode in English. Please give me feedback whether you prefer English or Thai. Okay, let's start by opening our Sublime text editor. Enter. Here we go. Normally, that should be the file that you opened last time. In my case, I work on file alien.py in the last episode. Therefore, I have this tab on my Sublime text. Let's go to the last line of our code. Here, this line, you click enter and another enter. Okay, let's me move this one up a little bit so it wouldn't be at the bottom of our screen. Okay, here we're going to add a function. A function called on key underscore down bracket key. Enter. For this function, let me explain this one. This function receive a key pressed by user. Here we're going to add an if condition statement. If key equal keys dot up, it means that if we press key up, this condition is true, and then the code will execute the next line, which we're going to write apple.y equal apple.y minus 10. What is this line for? This line, let me add more lines underneath here. This line change the position of apple on the y-axis by 10 pixels. Okay, here we go. We have the first function for moving the apple. Okay, let's save this one. Command S and open terminal. Enter. Don't forget we need to move to our directory that we store our alien.py. As I remember, I keep it in desktop. Enter and then pygame. Game enter. CD pygame enter, and I put it inside the folder alien enter ls to list. Okay, we have alien.py here, so I'm going to run this file pgc run alien.py. Enter. Now we have the game screen here, and we can see that the apple we put it last time, so we're going to move it. We press key up. See, the apple keeps moving up and it's gone, disappear. Now we cannot do anything because we can take only key up. We cannot take key down or left or right, so it's out of screen. Let's close this window. Let me explain this one more time. Here is our game screen. We specify up here that the width of our screen is 500 and height is 500. So if our apple is in the center of the screen, the location is 250 and 250. If we press up, the new location would be 250 and 240, 230, 220, 210, 200, and so on. Okay, I hope you guys understand this one. Next, sorry, let me show you this one. Let's go to the draw function here. We add another line here. Screen dot draw dot text bracket f double quotation mark current location of apple curly bracket apple dot post curly bracket comma 0 comma 0. This line here print the location of apple at the coordinate 0 coordinate sorry 0 comma 0, which is on the top left corner of the screen. Control S, go to terminal again, run the code one more time, enter. Now you can see here current location of apple 250, 250. Okay, let's try to move the apple up. See, you can see this number at the back here is changed. One tap, 10 pixel less, 10 pixel less. See, it keeps on going. It's going. As you can see, our apples keep moving up. Okay, now we have up key here in our code. We want to add more keys. Let's use this one. If key equal keys dot down. Now we add the down key apple dot y equal apple dot y. Can you guess what we're going to put here? That's right, we're going to put plus 10. Okay, let's save this code. Command S, go to this terminal, run the code again one more time. Okay, let's try our new code. Up, down, down. Yay! We can control our apple up and down. But hold on, we cannot use left and right. So we have to add more code, right? Let's go back to our code here. We add another line here. If key equal keys dot left, then apple dot. Now, as you can see from this one and this one here, we use dot y. Y is the vertical position. We want horizontal, move left and right. So this one has to be x equal apple dot x, and left is mean this actor moving left is mean the new location. It moves to smaller number of x until it reaches 0. So this mathematical symbol has to be minus 10. Okay, let's add another line here. If key equal keys dot right apple dot x equal apple dot x plus 10. Control command S to save this code. Okay, let's cancel this one. Go back to terminal. Run the code. pgc run alien.py. Enter. Now let's try up, down, left, right. You can see this number keep on changing every time we move. If we move right, the first number change to bigger number. If we move left, change to smaller number. Let's see the second part. We move up, it's getting smaller. We move down, getting bigger. Yeah, now we can control our apple. Okay, let me explain this function here. This function take the input from our keyboard here, key, and if the key variable here equals up arrow, this condition statement here will be executed by our code. So it changes the position of apple on the vertical axis or y-axis by minus 10. But if the key that we press is down key, the position on y-axis increase by 10 pixels. And if the key we press is at the left key, the position of apple on the x-axis or the vertical or horizontal axis change by minus 10. And if the key we press is the right key, the position of the apple is changed by +10 on the x-axis. I hope you guys understand this one. Okay, I'm going to teach you some trick here. As we add this one, apple.y minus equal 10, and we comment this line out. Let's save this code again. Go to our terminal, run the code again. Okay, the code that we change this line here. Let me move this one out a bit. Okay, before we use apple.y equal apple.y minus 10. Now we change it to apple.y minus equal 10. These two lines of codes, they the same meaning, but this one is shorter. Let's try out. If we press up, see, it's still working. It's the same, nothing different. Just the code is shortening. Okay, let's try for all of them here. Apple.y plus equal 10. Comment this one out. Apple.x minus equal 10. Another one. Apple.x plus equal 10. Comment this line out and then save the code again. Go back to terminal and run the code. pgc run alien.py. Okay, let's try our code. Up, down, left, right, left. As you can see, we change the code from apple.y equal apple.y minus 10 to apple.y minus equal 10. it still works the same, but the code is shortened and it's faster to write the code like this one. So I hope you guys understand how this line and this line works. They work the same way. Okay, let's try another things here. Here the position of apple changing by 10. Okay, if you want it to move faster, we can change this one to 30, 30, 30, 30. Save the code, close this window, run the code again. Now move, see, it can move faster by 30 points. Now it can move super fast. Yes, congratulations you guys. Now you can write a code that can control an actor by pressing keyboard. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye bye.